So I'm here at AWE 2026 in Shanghai. If you haven't heard of it, think of it as China's answer to CES, except it's more focused on the home. And honestly, some of the stuff here is wilder than anything I saw at CES this year. Okay, so this is probably the most popular thing at the whole show, the robot digital world. It's a robot vacuum, but it can climb stairs. Look at these legs. They are not just wheels. They can stretch out, lift up, and adjust. When it gets to the stairs, it scans them first, figures out the best way up, and then just goes step by step. See how it shifts its weight on each step? That's the hard part. It's not just moving, it's balancing itself in real time. For anyone who lives in a two-story house, this is a big deal. The vacuum can finally go upstairs by itself. Now, is it perfect? Probably not yet. And if you live in a flat apartment, you don't really need this. But the technology behind it, the way it understands space and moves through it, that's going to show up in a lot more products very soon. But it's not just a Roborock, this whole show feels like a robot convention. Over at the JD booth, they've got more than 60 robots, dancing, boxing, making coffee. There are humanoid robots from industries that were on China's biggest TV show earlier this year. Robot dogs everywhere, it's a lot. But the one that really caught my eye is this guy from Ecovacs. They call it Budget. It's a home butler robot, and it's got an arm. What's this? It's just a pickup that can. Now, what makes this different from other robot arms is what's behind it. It tells me it uses a large language model technology similar to that powers ChatGPT, and it's connected to open cloud. So you can tell it something like clean up the table, and it figures out what that means on its own. You don't have to point at every single item. Okay, check out this futuristic flying car. It works with a special land carrier to take off and land vertically using electricity. It has a cool black look and 6 spinning rotors, plus a 270-degree wide window so passengers can see everything like a real trip to the future. This new flying machine will change how we get around smart cities, small islands, mixing air trips and road travel super easily. Okay, let's go. Okay, now this is where things get really interesting, dreamy. You might know them for robot vacuums. They will take over an entire hall here. They call it the dreamy universe. And they will not just showing vacuums. They will got a smartphone, they will got a concept car, they will got an AI ring. But the things that stopped me in my tracks is this, a flying vehicle. And I don't mean a drone. I mean something you can really sit in and fly. Look at the design, it's clean, it's simple, it looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, and they say it actually works. Now, I want to be clear. This isn't something we'll buy next year, but the fact that a company that started making robot vacuums is now building flying machines. That tells you that something about where Chinese technology companies are headed. They are not thinking small, they are thinking about your entire life, from your living room floor to the sky above your head. So that's AWE 2026. Robots can climb stairs, robot butlers can understand what you see, robot pets can keep you company. And yes, flying machine from a vacuum company. These are amazing stories coming out of China's tech scene right now, and a lot of them don't get the attention they deserve outside of China. And that's what AuraTech is here to do, to bring you these stories in a way that's clear, honest, and easy to understand. If you are curious about where technology is really going, hit subscribe. I'm Aaron, and this is AuraTech. See you next time.